you will get expert tag, and this ladder goes on. So now what should be your target, like where you should stop. So this is the interpretation of these tags. That newbie is a start everyone's journey, and at this stage you might be new to programming. So if you are starting the code forces journey, you will start with from newbie tag. Now, who is pupil? Pupil is the one who know how to apply standard library, data structure, good techniques such as dynamic programming and else. Now, this is not available on Codeforces now, so you will get the specialist tag. Now, who is specialist? A specialist is the one who is applying algorithm and data structure at professional and competitive level. So, if you want to job and you want to crack a coding interview like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, this should be your ultimate goal. You have to achieve a specialist tag, because if you have achieved this tag, you can easily crack the coding interview of companies like TCS, Wipro. And if you are from tier 3 college and you want to get interview in like Amazon, Facebook, and big companies which are in Thang, so you need to be expert, because when you go to ask for referral in LinkedIn or anywhere else, they see your coding profile. So if you are expert, there is chance that you can get referral from them. Okay, so I think the rating system is clear to you, and this is candidate master. These are pro some. Okay, so master, international master, and grand master, and legendary master. So it is enough that you are expert on code courses. And if you are really passionate about creative coding, then you can also go for candidate master. It's all come from practice. Okay, so these are some tabs how code courses assigning the tab on the rating list. Okay, so now I will tell you about contest, like how to participate in contest and when they happen. Okay, so let's check. Right, see, there is a contest after 24 hours. Okay, so it will be a educational code forces down 25. Okay, so if I will click on this, okay, it is loading. I think network is okay. So from here you will get the option to register in the contest. So if I go for it, see this of Division 2, so anyone can register in this. Division 1, Division 3 round happen very rarely. There are common that are Division 2. This type of round held 2 or 3 days, each 2 or 3 days. So if you go for the register, okay, so now I am registered. See, you have registered successfully. Okay, so this is about all the platform. Now, see, these are some upcoming contests that will be happening in future. And if you come down, there are some past contests. These contests has been completed. So, okay. So, if you want to participate in these contests? So, it's the special feature of both courses. You will not get in any on any other platform. Like you can virtually participate in any past contest. Like if you have missed contest or you want to practice in this contest that has been happening in past, so you can easily go for see if you want to see only cost and not want to participate like a live test. So you easily go the enter and able to solve any problem. There are 5 to 7 problem in each contest, and you will get 2 hours to solve it. And these contest time is mostly 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. 8:05 to 10:05 p.m. Okay, so like you can in any previous contest, and you can also practice it. But now you will see that there is no timing stamp. As I said, that star of us, how there is no time stamp. So if you get in the air contest, then you will feel last. So if I registered it in virtual, see, this is virtual participation. So you have all the rights to
Excuse
set
me,
the
sir.
time where you want to. Hello,
सर वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है सर.
is it, hello? Are you able to listen me?
सर बीच बीच में ब्रेक हो जाता है आपका वॉइस.
अभी क्लियर है?
हाँ सर अभी सही.
ओके, तो अभी तक आपको सुनाई दे रहा था? समझ आया जो मैंने बताया?
हाँ सर आपने बस लास्ट आप बता रहे थे ना वो एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए.
अच्छा, मैं वर्चुअल कॉन्टेस्ट का बता रहा था. ओके, so see, this is a special feature of Codeforces. Like if you want to participate in any past contest and you want to like feel that it is live contest, so what you can do, you can just see, you can just go in contest tab. After that you will get this option. So if you want to virtually participate this contest, you can you will click on this and then you will come here. So this is the virtual participation. So according to you, you can set time, you can set date for your virtual contest. By default, it gives after 5 minutes from the current time. So this is the seven. This is 7:20, and if I will register for this contest, see, this will start in 1 minute 16 seconds. So I set the time of 7:20, so it will start. When it will start, I will tell you further. Okay, so till then, I will tell you about the editorial. That what happened after the contest. Okay, so wait a minute.
सर
हाँ,
सर जब हम वर्चुअल कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो उसकी वजह से हमारे पॉइंट्स बढ़ेंगे अगर उसमें हमने अच्छा
no,
परफॉर्म किया तो.
no. Only live contests are rated. You can't you will not get rating from virtual contest because the thing is that their editorials are available, their solutions are available. So anyone can cheat from there and can get good rating. So those contests are not rated, but they
So
are.
sir,
Yes.
after every contest the editorial are given.
Yes. That's the thing I am going to tell you that from there you can check for the editorial. Like, let's see, I want to editorial of this contest 666. This has happened on 30 August. So, okay, I will enter in the contest. And when you come down, you will get here the tutorial option. So, when you click on it, this is the editorial of all 6 problems. You will see that this is the first problem, multiple of length. So this is multiple of length. Here is it. So now second question is found again. Here. So when you click on the these are editorial, and when you click on this solution, you will get the code. So this is the best thing about Codeforces, that you will get editorial after each contest, and after each contest your rating will be updated within 24 hours or within 12 hours. Okay, so this is all about the platform. Now I will share some resources. Okay, so let's see that contest
सर
started on. Yes.
सर ये जो एडिटोरियल रहते हैं वो कौन कौन सी लैंग्वेजेस में रहते हैं.
There is no particular language, but most of the time they are in C++. But see, there is always a theory explanation. So what you can do that if you want to solution in your language, then you can go in summation and can check other solution which those help solve those questions. Like I will go on summations, then I will see that who has solved this question. So if you want to see, this is language, this is in C++. So if you want to see the solution from this guy, you can click on this number, and this is his solution. So you can check anyone's solution. So the language is not the problem, but the best thing is that you will get the theory explanation. But most of the time, see, these tutorials are not very much helpful because there are some standard language. So, but sometimes they are helpful, so you can go through them. Okay, so what I am going to tell next. Yes,
Okay, sir.
yes, one more thing. You want to form a group. Okay, so let's say you are the two or three friends and you want to start together and want to participate in contest. So you can also clone the contest. Like you two or three guys want to participate and compete in each other. Then also you can create a virtual contest that's are called master. Like so, if you will give the contest any contest name and clone this contest. So share this link from your friends and you can also participate with them. Okay, now let's say I created this, so I am the manager of this, and it's all like virtual contest. Okay, so now I will share some resources with you. Let's say uh, this is the one of the platform is A2G ladder. This is really helpful to prepare for code courses. Like I will say that here you will get all the question topic wise. I will share these links with you in the comment section. Okay, so let's see. Here is the ladder. There are 1,214 questions on dynamic programming, on implementation based question, on greedy algorithm. So here is the list goes on. There are questions on each and every topic. If you want to prepare for any topic, then you can go inside the section and you will get the question. So here is the see there are the level of question like when you will go in the division 2 concept then the problem A is easiest one, B is harder than A, C is harder than B, and D is harder than C, and go so on. So if you want to if you solve easily A problem, then you can practice B problem from here, and if you are able to solve A or B problem, then you can practice on C problem. Okay, so this is the best thing about this. That if I will go in the there are problems and this is their difficulty level. So if you can even in division 2 say deep question you can solve the problem from difficulty 1 level, then you should go for division difficulty level 2 and so on. So these questions are topic wise. Now I will show you the question uh, rating wise.
सर
Yes,
सर डिवीजन 3 के होते हैं इसमें क्वेश्चन?
uh, in the this ladder
यस सर.
I think there are no. But see,
ओके सर.
you can go, hello. Okay, so you can get those questions in the rating wise section. Right? Say I will direct come to the. Okay, so see, if you are beginner, you should start from here. These questions are rating less than 1300, and if you are comfortable with this, then you can go from in this section, and after that in this section. So this is the thing A to OJ ladder, which is really helpful to get rating on code courses. You should must practice here. Now I will share one more thing, that is lead code.
Sir,
I hope most of yes.
sir, for division 2 A or B type questions, is it necessary to learn data structures and algorithms?
Uh, you should know basics like you should know how to implement. You should aware about stack and array implementation and string. Array, string, and stack. You are enough
Okay, sir.
for A and B section. A section is most of the time about only math. It will take array or a string and the implementation. In B question, there is a chance that you have to apply any algorithm like prefix sum or searching a binary search or greedy algorithm. The B section is all about this. And in C section, there are chance that you will get the question of dynamic programming or maybe harder greedy problem. This is the level. And in in D question, there are chance that the question is of tree and harder dynamic programming. And I also
sir,
have
can you
no idea
repeat?
about what.
Sir, can you repeat?
A section is all about math, implementation, and array or string. B
Okay,
question
sir.
is
Math,
about
string, and
math,
array.
string, and array. This is enough for A question.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And B question is about greedy algorithm or again array and string, but some harder one. And
Okay.
C is about easier dynamic programming, greedy algorithm, and also can be of array and math implementation, some harder math implementation like matrix or other. And D question may be from tree or any other data structure. It is a data structure implementation based question. And
Okay.
E question is like division one P set question. So it is really hard that in all 2 hours only 20 to 30 people can do that question. And
Sir, can you repeat division E?
the E question.
Yes, sir.
E question is similar to division one second question. So it is really hard. It can be on any like graph. It can be on graph. It can be on tree. So
Okay, sir.
okay. So now I will tell you about the LeetCode. I hope most of you have listened about this platform and have account. How many of you have account on LeetCode? Just tell me in the comment section. Here, okay. So there are 3 people who have account on LeetCode already. 4, 5. Okay, reply fast. Okay, good. Okay. So now I will tell about something about the LeetCode. Okay. So this is my LeetCode account. Okay. So from start, if you are beginner and you don't know about much about coding, then you must start from LeetCode because it has some really good things. Like if you are a beginner, then you can set difficulty according to you. These are from hard to easy, and if you will click again on it, then you will get the easier question first. And these questions are really simple, and asked in many coding interviews, not in coding round, but these questions are asked in coding interview because let's say see this one question, any random question, and these are simple question or of 4 to 5 lines question. Those are easy. So you can start your journey from here, easy to hard, and and I will open it again.
Sir, we can also start from HackerRank. They also have easy, medium, and hard question.
Beginning with a language, if you know the data, some data structure, then you must go with this lead code because HackerRank questions are really much easier than this. So you should not waste time. I think you should not waste time there. You should come here because here you will see the variety. Here you will see the question according to this tag. But for learning language, like if you want to learn C++ or you want to learn Python, you want to learn Java, then you should go for the hackathon. You must go for the hackathon. Okay, but after some time, you should not go for hackathon. I think 15 to more than 15 to 20 days. These are enough because question of lead code are also helpful in interview. They directly ask in an interview. By the also there are some standard questions. So these questions are asked in interview only with their name. Okay, so you can do this and so start with if you are new to lead code, then must do 30 to 40 easy question or 10 to 15 medium question. And if you are really comfortable with easy question, then must go for medium question, more medium question. Okay, so this is all about this. And if you have any problem, I will share with you my LinkedIn profile, so you can also contact me there. And I will show you the profile. So, so this is my LinkedIn profile. You can search, or I will share the link with you in the comment section. Okay, so I will share the A to Z ladder link. Also, I will share these three links. Okay. There you can get this. So if you think these resources are useful to you, then must copy the link from the. Okay. So this one is A to Z ladder link. This is my LinkedIn profile. If you want that bird profile, then I will share you. You can ask me it for LinkedIn because I don't have any proper on WhatsApp. It is hard to me
We
for
will
sharing.
share,
So
Sachendra,
you
we
can
will share,
ask.
don't worry. We will share.
Yes, yes, sir.
We will share, I will share it on WhatsApp, don't worry.
Okay, okay. I will send it to you. So yes, all links are there. Registration link and contest link. There are. So do you have any doubt about this? Like if you any doubt about starting competitive coding, or if you have fear about this or any doubt, I will try to clear your doubt. So if you want to ask, then please ask.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Okay,
Sir, should we complete all the data structures at a time, like a tree or advanced data structures at one set, and then after start